Artificial intelligence was once a concept confined to the realm of science fiction, sparking imaginations with visions of futuristic robots and thinking machines. Today, AI has not only escaped fiction but is rapidly transforming every corner of our lives. From the phones in our pockets to the way industries operate, artificial intelligence might feel like a futuristic concept that has only recently come into play. But in reality, its roots stretch much further back. While it's only in recent years that AI has truly become part of our everyday lives, the journey began over a century ago. Early experiments in automating tasks and mimicking human behavior laid the groundwork for what we now know as AI. Though the leaps forward weren't evident until the mid-20th century, the development of AI has been a long and fascinating process that spans decades. Understanding its history helps us appreciate where AI is today and where it might go in the future. The idea of AI can be traced back to ancient times, when people were intrigued by the notion of creating something that could act independently. Early automata, mechanical devices that operated without human intervention, were examples of humanity's first attempts to mimic life. One of the oldest records dates back to 400 BCE, when a mechanical bird, created by a friend of the philosopher Plato, was capable of flying. Later, Leonardo da Vinci famously designed mechanical devices that could operate independently. Even though these devices were simple, they sparked the imagination for centuries to come. It wasn't till the early 20th century that AI took its first real steps. The idea of artificial humans began to capture the public's imagination. Creators and scientists alike started asking the question, could machines think and act like humans? This fascination led to the first early robots, primitive as they were, which could perform basic tasks like making facial expressions or walking. The word robot itself was first coined by Czech playwright Karel Čapek in 1921 in his science fiction play Rossum's Universal Robots. While these early robots didn't have true intelligence, they represented the beginnings of AI as a concept. The real turning point came in the mid-20th century. In 1950, Alan Turing, a British mathematician and computer scientist, published a landmark paper titled Computer Machinery and Intelligence. Turing's work proposed the famous Turing test, which measures a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to or indistinguishable from that of a human. Turing's paper was a pivotal moment that shaped the future of AI. Around the same time, researchers began to seriously explore the idea of machines that could think and learn. In 1955, John McCarthy, who would later become known as one of the fathers of AI, organized a workshop at Dartmouth College. It was during this workshop that the term artificial intelligence was first used, marking the official birth of AI as a field of study. With the 1960s and 70s came an explosion of research and development. Scientists made major strides in creating machines that could perform specific tasks, such as playing chess or solving mathematical problems. One of the most notable breakthroughs was the creation of Lisp, a programming language specifically designed for AI research. It allowed computers to process information in ways that mimicked human thought processes. Around the same time, the first industrial robots appeared in manufacturing plants, handling tasks too dangerous for human workers. These robots represented some of the earliest examples of AI being put to practical use. Yet, despite these advances, AI research was still in its infancy, and many of the grand promises made by scientists were yet to be fulfilled. The 1980s ushered in what is often called the AI boom, a period marked by rapid advancements in AI technology. During this time, computers began to learn from their mistakes and improve without human intervention, a process known as machine learning. Expert systems, which were designed to mimic the decision-making abilities of human experts, became popular in industries like medicine and engineering. Governments, especially in Japan, started investing heavily in AI, hoping to develop machines that could interact in natural language and process human reasoning. One such effort was Japan's fifth-generation computer project, which aimed to create computers that could think more like humans. However, the lofty goals of this era weren't fully realized, and by the late 1980s, AI entered a period of decline. This slowdown, often referred to as the AI winter, saw a significant reduction in funding and interest in AI research. Despite some setbacks, this era wasn't without its achievements. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue made headlines by defeating reigning world chess champion Garry Kasparov, marking a significant milestone in AI development. AI's potential started to become more evident to the general public, with the emergence of speech recognition technology and early robots that could interact with humans on a basic level. As AI gradually found its way into everyday life, it began to move beyond the realm of research labs and into our homes, workplaces, and entertainment. The early 2000s marked the beginning of AI's integration into everyday consumer technology. Robots like the Roomba made cleaning a breeze, while speech recognition software became available on personal computers. Around the same time, AI began to play a larger role in digital platforms. Companies like Netflix and Facebook began using AI algorithms to curate content, personalize user experiences, and even predict what movies you might like or which ads you would find interesting. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and deliver personalized experiences was revolutionary, marking the beginning of its widespread adoption in the digital world. In recent years, AI has moved beyond simple tasks like playing chess or vacuuming floors to more complex systems that shape entire industries. Virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa are now commonplace in households, providing a taste of AI's power to understand natural language and perform tasks on command. In industries ranging from healthcare to finance, AI is being used to detect patterns, predict outcomes, and automate processes. Deep learning techniques, which allow computers to learn from vast amounts of data, have powered breakthroughs in image recognition, natural language processing, and even autonomous vehicles. One of the most notable examples of AI's capabilities came in 2016, when a humanoid robot named Sophia was created by Hanson Robotics. Sophia could recognize faces, simulate emotions, and hold conversations, making her a sensation and the first robot to be granted citizenship by a country. Around the same time, AI-powered systems started to outperform humans in increasingly complex tasks. For instance, Google's AlphaStar reached Grandmaster status in the video game StarCraft II, surpassing 99.8% of human players. These advancements demonstrate just how far AI has come in replicating and even exceeding human abilities in certain domains. The rapid rise of AI has also brought about concerns. In 2015, a group of prominent figures, including Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking, signed an open letter urging governments to regulate AI's use in autonomous weapons, warning of the dangers of AI being used for military purposes. While the potential benefits of AI are immense, these concerns highlight the importance of developing AI responsibly. Today, we are living in the midst of an AI revolution. AI is not just a tool for research labs or tech companies. It's an integral part of modern life. From virtual assistants to personalized recommendations, AI shapes the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. While AI has already accomplished remarkable feats, its journey is far from over. Researchers are now exploring the potential for artificial general intelligence, AGI, a type of AI that could match or even surpass human intelligence in every way. Although AGI is still in the early stages, the advancements we've seen so far suggest that AI will continue to evolve and impact every aspect of our lives. As we move forward, the reign of artificial intelligence is poised to expand even further. AI will likely continue to revolutionize industries, improve daily life, and challenge our understanding of what machines can do. It has come a long way from the early days of automatons and basic robots, and its future is full of possibilities that we are just beginning to explore. The reign of AI is only just beginning, and as it continues to grow, it will undoubtedly shape the future in ways we have yet to imagine. From reshaping industries to influencing our daily lives, artificial intelligence is pushing boundaries in ways we couldn't have imagined. The future of AI holds endless possibilities, and it's up to us to navigate the opportunities and challenges it presents. If you enjoyed this journey through the history of AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.